welcome to this walk around video. Today we've got a lovely Range Rover arrival. Is of course the facelifted version. This one is the P530, so it is the 4.4 litre V8 and is autobiography trim. So it pretty much comes with everything on this car. It's finished in the Charente Brown Grey premium metallic. Does of course have the autobiography exterior pack and the digital LED headlights. If we move down the side of the car, you can see the car's being fitted with the optional 23-inch SV bespoke style 1079 alloy wheels, finished in silver and grey. Another factory fitted option, it does come with the deployable side steps and does also have the deployable tow bar to the rear. This is a one owner vehicle and does come with a full Land Rover service history. Does of course have the rear privacy glass, keyless entry and soft closed doors. Inside you've got the lovely Perlino leather interior, including the SV bespoke Perlino leather headlining. Of course you do have heated and cooled executive class rear seats with the memory function as well. The sound system as standard, you get the Meridian signature sound, and on the interior for the rear passengers you do have the infotainment screen for your seats, lighting and blinds, as well as your climate control. Headrests are of course adjustable. Moving into the front, as you can see you do have the 24-way heated and cooled front seats with massage function as well. The car does also have the SV bespoke leather and wood steering wheel, which is of course heated. We do also have adaptive cruise control as standard. The interactive driver's display, as you can see the car's done just over 58,000 miles. And it does of course have head-up display as standard. It's got the 13.1 inch touchscreen with all your media, CarPlay, 3D cameras, etc. through there. You do also have the wireless charger and the drinks cooler in the centre armrests. A few other features, it does of course have the sliding panoramic glass roof. If you do have any questions about this car, please do get in touch. The number is 01423 33 1133.